look to your right, forward, then behind. Fun fact: beyond what you can see lies the sea. Wasn't that fun? That's nice. That's nice. Hi, I'm Chris, and I cut my toenails way too short this morning.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I feel scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's so hard to keep the smile from my face, 'cause I'm throwing up all over the place. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle.
quiet, quiet, quiet. Not today, Steve. Well, I'll leave you with just one more fun fact. Oh, hold on, excuse me. Get some. It just filled up my water. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Has anyone tried the water? The water is like, oh my, is there, oh my god, there's more. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is so divine. Wow. I don't know what it is. Guys, have you tried the water? Answer me. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The cucumber around the water gives the water a scent. And, okay, it's good, good. Some more. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Guys, we have to buy like 20 cases of this before we leave here. God, this water's so good. One more, sorry, then we'll get to that. We'll get to that fun fact, I promise. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what it is. Is it the water? Is it the cucumber? It's gotta be both. It's gotta be both. Well, my fun fact is I don't know how to use a can opener. Thank you.